How to view your Citibank rewards balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check how many Citibank thank you points you have earned, well here is how to view your reward balance on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and here once logged in, you simply have to go to the credit card account linked to thank you rewards point. And there you just have to click on rewards or thank you rewards and there your total reward points will be clearly shown on the dashboard. And there you can also click to see recent activity or expiration details. And that's it. That's how you can check your Citibank reward balance online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.